In this video, we are going to show you how to back up your Mac. It is important to back up the data on your Mac so that in the event of a system failure, no data will be lost. Apple makes backing up our Mac computers easy with an app called Time Machine, which is included in OS X 10.5 Leopard and later. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open our Finder menu located in our dock. From there, we open our Applications folder and scroll down until we see Time Machine. After opening Time Machine, Apple will tell us that we have yet to select a location for our backup, so we need to open the Time Machine Preferences by clicking the Time Machine Preferences button. Now that we are in the Time Machine Preferences, we must select a backup disk for our backed up data by clicking the Select Backup Disk button. It is important to choose the right size drive for your backup to ensure there is enough room, such as an external hard drive. Once we have chosen our backup disk and plugged it into our Mac, we can select it in this menu. In this video, we are using a flash drive. After clicking on our desired disk, we can choose to encrypt our data by checking the Encrypt Data box. We do not need to encrypt our data, so we can proceed by clicking the Use Disk button. Now that we have chosen our backup disk, we can see that our Time Machine is switched on. We can also see how much space is available on our backup disk, our oldest backup completed, our latest backup completed, and when our next backup will occur. By clicking the Options button in the bottom right-hand corner, we can revise our backup for exactly what we need. In the Options menu, we can choose whether or not to back up while on battery power, and whether or not we want to be notified after an old backup is deleted. We can also exclude files we do not need backed up by clicking the plus sign button. After clicking the plus sign, we can now choose what folders we do not need backed up. In this video, we are going to exclude the application folder to narrow down the size of our backup. Since the application folder is selected, we can go ahead and click the exclude button. Now that we have chosen which folders to exclude, Time Machine will calculate the size of our backup, which can take a second depending on how much is being excluded. After Time Machine has finished calculating the size of our backup, and the settings are to our liking, we can finish setting up our backup by clicking the Save button. Now that our Time Machine backup is fully set up, we can now access Time Machine at any time by clicking the Time Machine logo located in our menu bar at the top of the screen. From here, we can choose to back up now, enter Time Machine, and open Time Machine Preferences. Now that our backup is complete, we can rest assured now that our data is safe. That's all for today's video on Mac Backup. Thanks for watching.